Check out this Milwaukee M12 Fuel 18 gauge compact brad nailer. Bringing you peak productivity on the job site, you get an unmatched nailing performance from a compact, lightweight and ergonomic design. Leveraging a nitrogen air spring mechanism, this brad nailer enables users to sink 15 to 38mm brad nails to the proper depth in both hard and soft materials. Weighing in only 1.9 kilograms, this is the most compact Milwaukee cordless brad nailer, meaning you get unmatched versatility. You can fire well over 700 nails per charge with the included 3 amp hour M12 battery that comes with the kit, but using the high output 5 amp hour M12 battery with a magazine capacity of 110 nails, this nailer feels like it'll work all day long. You have tool-free depth adjustments and a jam clearing latch, as well as a reversible belt hook and a bright LED work light, giving you increased ease of use and convenience. You get both sequential and bump actuation with 0 ramp up time, as well as a dry fire lockout to prevent the tool from any damage. You get a workpiece contact tip storage on board too. Don't be fooled by this unit's compact size, as this Milwaukee M12 Fuel 18 gauge compact brad nailer packs a serious punch and has a lightweight and ergonomic design that allows for all-day use. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.